Hello everyone and welcome to Easy English with Matt. Today guys, I'm going to teach you 25 most commonly used words in English. I'm going to make 4 videos like this and each of them will contain 25 new words. And today we start with the first 25. Are you ready to begin? Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And we are going to begin our list with the word the. Yes, this is the most commonly used word in English language. As you probably already know, this is a definite article, right? So, this is the phone, this is the computer, this is the house, and so on. And the word number 2, guys, is be in all of its variations, like am, are, and is. So, she is walking, I am swimming, they are riding, and so on. The next word, guys, number 3, is the word to, and that is a preposition. We all know it as to work, to be, to run, to do something, and so on. Moving on to number 4, everybody, and that is of. This is also a preposition and we use it like this. A cup of water. He is one of them. This is a friend of mine. The next word, guys, number 5, is the conjunction and we all know how to use it, right? Me and my friend, cat and dog, computer and the phone. Get going, everybody, and the next word is an article a, right? This is indefinite article and we use it like this. There is a house, there is a person standing over there, this is a car, and so on. The next word, everybody, is the preposition in. So, I'm in the house, he's in school. I'm going to start working in July. The next one, folks, is the conjunction that, and we use it like this. I know that you're not learning English properly, or she knows that you're not doing it right, or I know that I need to do this, but anyway, I'm not doing it. I'm just too lazy. The next word, everybody, is the word have. And yeah, probably all of us already know how to use it because we learned it from our first day studying English, right? So, I have a friend. She has a problem. I have to learn English, but I'm just watching this video hoping that this will help me. And it really will, guys. Moving on to the next word, and that is word I. That is pronoun to replace our names, right? So, I am working. I am lazy. I've got to go, and so on. Number 11, everybody, is the word it. And this is also a pronoun. So how do we use it? We use it like this. It is a dog. It's a car. It's time to go home, right? Move on. The next word, guys, is a preposition for. How do we use it? I need to buy a present for her. I need to put a like under this video for Matt so he knows that I liked it. Moving on to the next word, everybody, and that is an adverb, not. So I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to smash a like under this video because it's boring. I'm not going to go to school. I'm not going to learn English. Yeah, great motivation, guys, right? Next word we have, guys, is the preposition on. How do we use it? I'm going to start working out on Monday. Yeah, everybody knows it's a lie, but probably I will start. Maybe, I hope so. Then, where is he? He is on his bed. Where is the computer? Computer is on the table. Next word, guys, is also a preposition with. So, where is Jack? Jack is with Matt. Easy English with Matt. I'm going to go with you. The next word, guys, is simple pronoun he. Where is he? He is at school. What is he doing? He is now working. When he's gonna come? He will come tomorrow. Now let's move on to the next word, and that is as. As can be a conjunction and it can also be an adverb. So I'm as happy as possible. You need to do it as soon as possible. He looks a little bit as Mike. What do we have next, friends, is the pronoun you. So you are nice. You are happy. You're really great to watch this video. I would be even more happier if you'd put a like under this video. What do we have next, guys, is the verb do. So what do you do? How do you do? When are you going to do this? I will do it in the next month. The next word, folks, is the preposition at. So where is he? He's at school. What time are we supposed to meet? We are going to meet at 7 p.m. and so on. The next word, guys, is an adverb or a noun, this. So how do we use this? We can say like this. This is my brother. This is my computer. This is my new phone. This is my cat. What's this? And so on. Moving to the word but, and that can be a conjunction, preposition, or an adverb. How do we use it? I would like to go to school today, but I don't feel well. I'd like to learn English, but I'm too lazy. I just don't want to do this. I would like to shoot another video, but yeah, I'm super lazy, so I'm not gonna do it today for sure. The next word, guys, we have is his, and that is possessive pronoun. How to use it? This is his car. Whose phone is that? This is his phone. Who is he? He is Jack, and this is his phone. When he's gonna come? He's going to come when his clock will show him 10 p.m. The word 24, guys, is the preposition by, and you can use it like this. I need to be there by 8 p.m. He should have arrived by now. I made this castle, so it's made by me. And the last word for today, guys, number 25, is the preposition from. So where do you come from? I come from Australia. I came from China and I'm going to Korea. From here to here, it takes 10 minutes to walk. And those were all the words we have for today, guys. I'm going to shoot another 25 most commonly used words in English if we got 30 likes under this video. So you know what to do, right? And thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video was useful for you and you learned something. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.